guys, welcome back to the D&N Medical series. In today's video, I'll be looking on calories, how much you need to consume in order to maintain, gain or lose weight. So calories are actually energy source that are found in food that your body can use in order to produce energy so you can move and do all your activities. So first we're going to look on BMR, which is the basal metabolic rate. And the basal metabolic rate is basically the number of calories that is required in order to keep your body functioning at rest. So if you were to rest or just lay down for the entire 24 hours, just by your body breathing and mere existing, this is the amount of calories that you need in order to stay alive. Now, based on your activity factor, you may need additional calories, which we're going to talk about. So for your BMR formula, it would be dependent on if you're male or female, right? Your age, your weight, and your height. So men tends to need more calorie or energy because of greater muscle mass, so there is greater metabolism in men than women, but this may change based on certain conditions. So if there is hyperthyroidism, for example, that may increase your basal metabolic rate and then you may need more calories. So now we're just going to look on an example of how to calculate your BMR and to incorporate your activity level in order to gain weight or lose weight or maintain your weight. So we're going to use an online calculator for ease. This is so much better. All you need to do is to put in your information and then it will tell you how many calories you need as your BMR. Alright, so this person age 28 is a male, height 6 feet 1 inches and 189 pounds. So you're going to put in this information and see if the results are saying that for BMR they would need 1881 calories per day. This is just if they're resting and doing nothing at all. So next thing you're going to do is look on your activity level. So this points out that if you're sedentary or you do little or no exercise like me, I'm sorry to say these days I've been so busy, right? Or if you exercise 1 to 3 times or 4 to 5 times per week, it will tell you how much additional calories you need. So if you are a sedentary person like me, total you will need 2257 calories in order to maintain your weight. And if you did very intense exercise, then you will need all of 3574 calories. To know how much calories you've been taking in, it's on the nutritional facts of most food. If you can't find that for that particular food, then of course you can type in Google and it can show you chicken fried with flour, how much calories, etc. Now what is to note is that the BMR is and the activity level is just for maintaining your calories. So you will eat more calories than what they say in order to gain weight, or you will eat less in order to lose weight. And that's basically how you gain weight, lose weight, or maintain your weight by using this calculation. Now that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye, take care.